Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 18, 2022. One star Sudoku. Column J, 5 numbers are remaining 1, 2, 4, 7, 9. 9th row and 10th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column H, 9th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining 4, 7, 9. Column H, column I, 4th row we have 9. 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row, 4 numbers are remaining 1, 2, 6, 7. Column I, column C, we have pair numbers 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 2. First grade, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 6th row and 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column J, only 1 number is remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column F, 5 numbers are remaining 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. 4th row, then column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 4 numbers are remaining 1, 5, 7, 8. 6th row and 10th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 8. 6th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Fourth grade, 4 numbers are remaining 3, 5, 8, 9. Column B, 6th row, we have pair numbers 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 9. 6th row, we have 9. Column D also we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 6th row, only 1 number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 7. Column I, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 5. Column E, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 9. Column G, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Ninth row, 4 numbers are remaining 3, 4, 5, 7. Column C and 9th grade, we have 7. 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining 3, 4, 5. Column C, column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. 10th row we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. 9th row only one number is remaining, 4, 4 is confirmed here. 9th grade only one number is remaining, 4, 4 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6, it will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Second row we already have 1, so 1 can come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 8. 8th row we have 8, 8 can't come in these cells, the 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column E we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column G only one number is remaining, 5, 5 is confirmed here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 4th row 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column B we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column E 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column B 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 7. First grade and 8th row we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 8th row we already have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column E only one number is remaining, 7, 7 is confirmed here. Second row only one number is remaining, 8, 8 is confirmed here. Column D we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column C 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. 8th row we already have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column D 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 10th row we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.